Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can set up the bWAPP testing environment. So for that, first you need to go to the Google Chrome. Over here, you need to type bWAPP. For setting up bWAPP lab, again we will be requiring XAMPP software, and we have already installed the XAMPP in the last video where we learned how to install bWA testing environment. Over here also we will be requiring XAMPP, and we have already installed XAMPP software when we were installing bWA, so there is no need to install it again. Just type bWAPP, open this first link, download option. You can download it from here or maybe from here. This is a B box. This is bWAPP. Download the latest version. Setting up bWAPP is similar to setting up dWA. As in the case of dWA, we unzip the dWA files in htdocs of XAMPP folder. Over here also we'll do the same thing. As now it has been downloaded, now let's navigate to bWAPP and unzip the file in htdocs. Now let's go to XAMPP, search for htdoc. Over here, paste the files. Now open the bWAPP folder, then admin folder, and open the settings file. Over here, our DB password is bug. Remove this password and save this file. Now open Mozilla Firefox and type the following command, that is localhost colon 8081 slash bwap slash install.php and hit enter. Click here to install bWAPP. bWAPP has been successfully installed. So now we have set up our bWAPP. Over here, type login.php, type the following username, v, and password is bug. Security level should be low, as we are just starting off with our bug bounty hunting. First we'll try at low level security, then we'll move to medium and high. So this is our bWAPP front page, that is home page, and this is where we select our vulnerabilities that we are going to test. Finally, we have set up a testing environment. So from next module onwards, we will be trying our hands on vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching this tutorial.